Good morning. This is your Dr. Vinay, surgical gastroenterologist from Hyderabad. We had the first corona case in Hyderabad in the early first week of March. I still remember Mr. KCR saying in the assembly that one stupid idiot had come down from Dubai, he's brought it. But otherwise, we are not going to have any corona in this state. I'm not going to allow it. I'll spend 1,000 crores and whatnot. So, anyway, let us leave that aside. Unfortunately, I have to mention it because the government is not responsible to what is happening today. But from there on, in the first week of March to 31st of May, the count was 2,500. Now, this was in the days when testing was not done and we were keeping on requesting for tests. We had clearly said that lockdown is not the answer for the virus, lockdown is not the treatment, lockdown is only to control it to a certain extent, but testing and isolating people is the only answer. Unfortunately, it fell into the deaf ears of the government. So, these 2,500 happened during lockdown. That means there were contacts going on and these contacts were spreading to others. If some sort of random testing, when I mean random testing, I obviously know that the whole Telangana can't be tested, 4 crores can't be tested. So, but at least the primary contacts, I mean, suppose someone had tested positive, if the primary contact, that is the people living in the same house along with them, if they had been tested, all of them had been isolated, or if someone who had tested positive, his history was found out, where did he go, which grocery store did he go, did he get it from that person or did he give it to this person, at least these things would have helped us to reduce the numbers. But unfortunately, see, if you see Karnataka, they're doing a fantastic job. Such sort of thing, if we had followed, at least to see, learn from them and do it over here, it would have been helpful. There's no point today in saying ICMR has said this, ICMR has said that. No, sorry. We also have said a lot of things. There are other states who are doing it in spite of whatever orders ICMR may have given. But coming back, if the count was on 31st of May, it was 2,500. In the last 23 days, from that to last night, from 1st of June to yesterday, 23rd night, the cases have risen to 9,500, which essentially means a 7,000 rise in cases. On 9th of June, I had given an interview in which I said, if this is the way it continues, then in 15 days' time, we are not going to have beds to admit these corona patients. This is exactly coming true. 4 days back, one person has said that his wife was breathless. He went to any number of hospitals in the city. No one was willing to admit him. They said there were no beds. 2 hospitals, he begged them. They said, we'll give you oxygen for her to make comfortable. After that, provided you say that you will not insist on admitting her here and you take her elsewhere. He said, finally, my wife died. She suffered and died. Day before yesterday, one Dr. Gyaneshwar, who was doing extremely good service in Khairtabad area, he had a clinic, very considerate doctor, treating the poor freely. Unfortunately, such a helpful doctor, someone needed in the society today, he died after going about. His son said, I went about for 8 hours on the road and I could not get a hospital which would admit my father. This is what happened to a doctor, the first doctor to get infection and die. The other doctors have got it, but fortunately they all come out of it. But this is the first doctor who died. And this is the situation today. So what I am saying is that since the government is not bothered, please take your own precautions. Don't go out unnecessarily. Today, a lot of people have to go out because if they don't go out, then their family needs and necessities economically cannot take place. But if you have to go out, take precautions and go out. Wear masks, do social distancing. It is seen that most of the times it is the youth between 20 and 30 years who are going out. Now these people are recovering in 1 or 2 days from the coronavirus. But what is happening is when they take the virus back home and carrying it forward to their elderly parents or elderly grandparents, that is where the complications and deaths are arising in the parents or grandparents. Much more so if their parents or grandparents have other diseases like diabetes and hypertension. That is where the whole problem is arising. So please don't go out unnecessarily. You don't need to sit with your friends now. Please take precautions so that for some moments of pleasure with your friends, you are giving pain to your whole family and you are becoming responsible to what is happening to your parents and grandparents. So please take care of them. Thank you so much.